So now we've drawn up this drawing, we're going to actually draw the three-dimensional object that this drawing actually shows. So to do that, we're actually going to take this drawing and make sure that it's a group. If you haven't already grouped it, you can triple click and make it a group. I've already done that though. We're going to move it back from the origin 200 millimeters. Once we've done that, we're going to draw this object. So it's a rectangle. It's a rectangle from the origin, 100 millimeters, 60 millimeters. We can use the push-pull tool, which is P. I'm going to raise that up 60 millimeters. Remembering that you type the dimensions in the bottom here after using the tab key. I can't see the top of that, so I'll zoom out a bit and zoom back in. I'm going to use the line tool from the midpoint from there to the midpoint there. And finally, we're going to move this front edge. Notice that the edge is highlighted in blue. And we're going to move that down and touch that bottom edge there. Make sure you touch the edge. You don't want to come past it or you want to touch. We'll render that now, so use the paint bucket. Red on top, blue on front, green on the angle piece. Don't need that now. So we've got the wedge shape that's on the drawing. What we're going to do now is replicate this another 2 times and then place these blocks onto the drawing in the same orientation that the drawing is showing. Before we do that, we need to make some copies. So I'm going to come out a little bit. We should make that a group to make it easier to manipulate. Make group. We're going to copy that. Remember, in making group, you triple click and then control click make group. Click that. Alt for a copy. Alt for a copy. 2 copies. Now one of these blocks actually fits on that without rotating. And it's actually that view there. So we can take this one block here and place it on there. Notice I've grabbed it right on that edge there. And that will match with the edge over there, and it's perfectly aligned. So if we go for a look from the top, you'll notice that it meets the drawing exactly. Now if we show it in parallel projection, you'll notice there is no shadow. It's precisely matched. And that's because we grabbed it from that bottom corner and anchored it on that bottom corner. We've got to do these 2 now, but we've got to rotate them before we can place them on the drawing because they're in the wrong orientation. We're going to use the rotation tool for that, which is Q. So I press Q and move it up, and you'll notice it's red, green, blue, or if it's on an angle, it'll actually be black. Now they relate to the axis that you're rotating around. So we want to rotate around the red axis. So we're going to choose the red one on this corner here. Click once, go to that corner, click again. Whoops, sorry, I need to remember to select that. Try that again. Q, rotate, click once, 90 degrees, done. We can then use the move copy tool, which is M, and place that on the object. This object here needs to be rotated twice, however. So we've got to rotate it around the green axis into vertical position. Do that again. Green, vertical, 90 degrees. And we've also got to do it in the blue position so that this longer edge here is in the front, matching to that point there. Move that back, place it on the drawing, and that's done. We'll use the orbit tool to come around and look at it from this direction. And you'll notice that the green edge is here, green there, blue there, red on top. Exactly how we drew it. And if we view it in parallel projection, which is camera parallel projection, you'll notice there's no shadows, no nothing, it matches perfectly. Have a go at that and see how you go. Thank you.